Everyone, I appeal all to send their green resolution video for the year 2015. We are ready to upload your video on our YouTube channel of Green Thinkers, and for the more information about green resolution video, kindly visit greenthinkers.org. Thank you.
Hello, I am Manpreet Singh Gill, Chief Technical Executive of Green Thinkers, and today I shall be discussing about my green resolution for the year 2015. This is my hometown, Mumbai, and this is the number of antennas on just one single shop. What has this caused? Mumbai has lost 80% of its home sparrows, and this is due to their soft skull, as they tend to absorb more electromagnetic radiations as compared to us humans. This is what is happening as we speak. Electromagnetic radiations break down the brain barriers, increase risk of eye cancer, increase the risk of ear tumor, and as well other cancer causing elements. So to conclude, let's join hands for a cleaner and a greener future.
Dear all, Happy New Year 2015. May the new year comes with new innovative ideas for all to contribute in the field of environmental sustainability. My resolution for the 2015 is to plant and foster 2 plants for the same. Also, I'll work in the field of research in order to make this world a better place to live. Thank you and all the best for 2015.
I wish you all a very happy and green New Year 2015, and my resolution for the 2015 is in the form of my contribution in the field of research by writing many awareness articles as well as the research papers, and of course a book on the philosophy of green technologies. And in addition to that, I'll contribute by participating and organizing various events to promote the environmental sustainability and the awareness among people. And I also wish you all the best for this Green 2015. All the best.
Everyone, my name is Tanveer Singh. First of all, Happy New Year in advance 2015. Now hereby I would like to declare my green resolution for the year 2015. Throughout the year, I will organize various events, seminars, workshops and conferences to promote environmental sustainability so that more and more people will involve in the mission of Green Thinkers philosophy. Now, my next resolution is that I would like to reduce my mobile usage so that it will become more sustainable for me and for my health also. At the end, I wish all happy and green New Year 2015. Thank you.
Hello, I am Manpreet Singh, Chief Technical Executive of Green Thinkers, wishing everyone a happy and green year 2015. My green resolution for the year 2015 is to limit the use of wireless products such as phones, laptops and tablets, and make my family and friends aware of the ill effects of these gadgets. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Deepinder Kaur, the Technical Executive of Green Thinkers. As New Year starts, so it's time to fill your mind with some green ideas. I would like to share my green resolution for the new year. As a technical executive, I will direct and oversee all the green operations for my organization. Apart from this, I will work on electronic waste management and some renewable projects. Thank you and have a happy new year and have a green thinking.
Hello, my name is Helene Kaur. I am from Green Thinkers Society. My green resolution for the year 2015 is that I will make a project so as to reduce the carbon footprints. Happy and green New Year in advance. Thank you.
First of all, a happy and green new year to all of you in advance. My name is Ravina Singh and I am from Green Thinkers Society. My green resolution for the year 2015 is that I'll manage the waste to reduce its harmful effect on our environment and aware as much people about the harmful effects of different waste on our environment. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Manpreet Kaur. My green resolution for year 2015 is I'll plant a tree every month and I will gift only a plant to my friends and relatives on their birthday and anniversary. I would like to thank Green Thinker Society for inspiring me to do this. At the end, I wish you all a happy, prosperous and green new year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Neha Lekhi, member of Green Thinker Society. On this New Year Eve, I would take pledge. My green resolution is that I would plant more and more trees. I would donate plants to the school from which I have done my schooling, and even I make aware the students of the school about the harmful effects of mobile radiations, also the importance of environment. I would take initiative to make my environment, make my surroundings clean, and even we have done this with the help of our neighbor children. On the last Diwali, we have initiated to clean our society, clean our surroundings and remove all the debris of crackers, and we named that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as started by our Narendra Modi ji, and I would take responsibility that this Abhiyan will be continued, and I would donate myself to my Green Thinkers team, and I would always join Green Thinkers team to promote environment, and I am thankful to my Green Thinkers team, and I will always be there for you. Happy New Year!
Hello everyone, my name is Manan Kumar. I read in 7th standard in DA Public School. On this occasion, I take pledge that I will not use mobile phone until 12th standard, as I know that the radiations of the mobile phone are very harmful to us. I will plant more and more trees as possible. I even would not explode crackers on Diwali also. I am a big fan of Green Thinkers. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Anita, and we all know that today environment conditions are changing day by day, so it's time to improve our habit. And by keeping this in mind, I have my new year resolutions are to use less electricity, to use less water and to make less e-waste. And at last, thanks for Green Thinker Society for inspiring me, and wish you all very happy new year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karanpreet Kaur and my green resolution for 2015 is that I will feed birds every morning. By doing this, I will try to contribute my bit to the environment. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.
Hello, this is Karanpreet Kaur, member of Green Thinker Society. My green resolution for the year 2015 is that I will minimize the use of paper, electricity and water as much as I can and use these resources only when they are actually needed. And I will give trees to my friends on their birthdays. And I wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Guneet Kaur, member Green Thinker Society. My green resolution to protect the environment in 2015 is I will not use plastic bags, save electricity and water, try to avoid chemical food and go ahead with organic. I will reduce my mobile usage, and we the team of Green Thinkers will organize more and more seminars and workshops in school and colleges to promote environmental sustainability and sustainable mobile usage. I appeal to all my friends to plant more and more trees in the new year. At the end, from the team of Green Thinkers, I wish you a very happy, warm and green new year 2015. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Himanshi Mahajan, member of Green Thinker Society. My green resolution for 2015 is that I will minimize use of electricity, water and paper as much as I can. Happy New Year!
Hello, my name is Parvinder Kaur and I am from Green Thinker Society. My green resolution for the year 2015 is to reduce the excessive usage of mobile in order to reduce its radiation impacts. Happy and green New Year in advance. Thank you.